So in today it's time to take a look at the smaller speaker of Weiss-Tiger. So this is the bigger one with the racetrack driver, tweeter and everything. And this one was surprisingly well done. So today it's time to take a look at the smaller one. So this one only has like one driver, a full range driver. And the fun thing about this speaker is even that when you look at the upper side, it even has a bigger passive radiator. It's also a bit more wider of a build. The downside, you only have like a feed, so no passive radiator or anything. On the front, one driver. On top, the passive radiator, but also some light show. So I'll pair it up with my phone and then we're going to listen to some tunes.
Ik geef geen fuck, we komen uit de put, ja uit de goot. Ik ben op mijn weg, ey, jij gaat mij niet stoppen, ey. Blaas de hele shit op, ja we blazen uit de stoppen, ja we nemen het over. Ik geef geen fuck, we komen uit de put, ja uit de gat, ey. Wij geven toch niet op, ja we gooien het niet in. Je gaat het niet zien vliegen, dat is de handdoek in de ring. Ja we blijven hier staan, yeah, look at what I bring, ja ik...
After some audio testing, I noticed that the speaker works pretty fine. It's really solid audio. It has a bit of bass, not a lot of course, it's pretty small. But the tuning is pretty similar to their bigger P3. So it has some upper bass, it has some pretty decent treble performance. And really, for this kind of speaker, it's a fine sound. Especially if you want to look into a Go 3 from JBL for example, this one does perform it out a bit, because it's just more solid audio. Yeah, the JBL Go 3 has more bass, some would say, but the other frequencies on that speaker are kinda gone. And on this one, thanks to its a bit nicer housing, it has a decent performance.